Super quickie Mercedes power port fuse. If this thing blows on you because you pulled out a cord wrong or whatever, need to replace the fuse. It is down here, passenger compartment by the floor, by the front door. Take a quarter, turn these two little doohickeys so they're vertical. Pull out the back and slide forward yourself. And up here at the top, see where that green fuse is? I had to replace it. So the green one on the very top. Ugh. Let's see if I can get some light. Okay, so this green fuse up here at the top, I put a 30 amp in there because I didn't have another one the other day. So see the green 30, the far one on the right? That one should be a 20. And that is your fuse for your power port. Come on out of there. Just gonna put a yellow 20 back in there. And done. Power port fuse, Mercedes ML. Now when you put this side cover back on, make sure the two little thingies are facing vertical again. Oops, stay in there. Slide it in, and then turn them both horizontal. I'm just using a quarter. Thanks for watching.